The next team would be Triple P and his team.
Thank you, Nalda, for handing it over to us. First of all,
Thank
hello,
you.
everyone. The previous presentation were great, and I think we're going to start the presentation. You can turn on the timer now. So here is our slides. And hello, everyone. Again, we're the creators of Pathway. The four here represents the four of us. Our teammates are Prashidhi Pokhrel, Cynthia Ogoke, Pritam, and me, myself, Perush Parajuli. And I'd like my teammates to introduce themselves as well. Prashidhi, can you introduce yourself?
So, hi everyone, I am Prashidhi Pokhrel, and my contribution in this project is making this slide.
Thank you, Prashidhi, for introducing yourself. Cynthia, can you also introduce yourself now? Your mic is off, Cynthia.
Hello?
All right, Cynthia, I think we should move over now. Can you quickly introduce yourself? Okay.
We can hear
Hello.
you, Cynthia. You can go ahead, please.
All right, all right. So, Pritam, can you introduce yourself now?
Yes, thank you. My name is Ogoke. I'm from Bangladesh, and my contribution is to create broad integration in this website.
All right. So, thank you, Pritam.
Hello.
Now, me, I'm Perush. I contributed to designing the website and adding a few features that will go over in a few minutes. And the next part is what we did. So the name of our website is the pathway. Four represents the four of us, while the pathway itself represents the map that you see here. This can suggest that it's a pathway, a guide to something. So what did we guide? We guided the people to uh, uh, the technical road to their career path. So our primary goal with the pathway was to provide clear, structured, and career guidance for different technological pathways. We wanted to help the learners understand not just what to learn, but in what order and why. And the internet is full of resources, but sometimes being so full of resources, it can overwhelm us. It is scattered, so we aim to reduce that confusion. And ultimately, we want to promote self-paced learning and independent learning and help people escape the tutorial hell that most of us who were in the technological pathway went with. So uh, the highlight of our project itself, previously introduced, it is the AI integration. It's just a baby right now, but it's a really good thing. Let's move on to the next slide. So this is it. Thank you for the slides. Do you have any questions for it? But before that, wait a second. Sorry, we still have to showcase our project. So here is the project itself. This is how it looks. It takes us to the home page. And in the home page, it says confused about your career pathways. If you have, then there are two options that you can choose. One is to explore the roadmap itself. It will take us to roadmap pages. Here it is. Here's a quick look for the roadmap page. And if you want to view a roadmap, let's say for the full stack application, we can go here and it will show us the roadmap. We added an image here. It will show us what we need to do step by step to become a full stack engineer. And if you have any questions, there are some questions here that you can look over. Now, there's also a chatbot for which I would like to ask Pritam to introduce and showcase how to use it.
Okay, thank you, Parajuli, and I want to share the screen. Okay, do you show my screen? Okay, this is actually the whole bot. I use the bot phrase, and this is the whole
Yes,
things.
please.
Okay,
Pritam.
so this is the I use the bot press and I get for the information from this YouTube video, and then I transcribe those videos and then get some resources and information. Then I embedded autonomous node, and I instruct this bot to fetch those information from our knowledge base a node. There is the workflow. There is the workflow. Then if you chat this uh, uh, project, this is going to the AI autonomous node AI. Then it evaluate what should the answer, what is the answer, and then it gives the result.